Okay, so most probably third part of our differentiation chapter, third part. So yeah, let's see how to do this sum. A cuboid has a rectangular. A cuboid has a rectangular cross section where length of the rectangle is equal to twice its width. Okay. The volume of the cuboid is 81 cubic centimeter. Volume. Okay, fine. Now, what did they mention? They mentioned the volume. You can see they mentioned the volume. Okay. Wait, let my charge get on. Okay. If you see, they mentioned the volume. So I need to write volume first. Let's try writing volume. Volume is length into breadth into height. Volume, this is A part, okay? Length into breadth into height. Length koto? Length hoche 2x. Okay, height is x. Okay, breadth koto hobe? Let me, they did not name it. If they did not name it, you should name it. It is y. Okay, so let's try. Length, so you have 2x multiplied by x into y. 2x multiply x multiplied by y. That is 2x square y is your answer for the volume. Okay. Now, what else did they say? They said about length of the 12 edges. Okay, so I have 2x 4 times. 2x I have 4. If you imagine the box, this 2x is there 4 times. One, there is one here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 2x into 4. I'm trying to find the length. Length is 2x into 4, that is 8x plus. Let's talk about x. X also I have 1, 2, 3, 4. X also I have 4. So 4x. And also I have y 4 as well. 4y. So now that is my length. But you can see y is not there in my main equation. That means I have to make y the subject of the formula. What is the volume they gave us? Did they give us any volume? They did not. Yes, they did actually. 81. Okay, since they gave us the volume as 81, so let me write 81 is equal to 2x square y. So 81 divided by 2x square is equal to y. How much is it? Let me keep it like that. So in place of this y, I will substitute 81 divided by 2x square. 8x plus 4x is what? 12x. 4 into 81 divided by 2x square. 2 ones are 2 to the 4. Okay. So answer is 12x plus 81 into 2. How much is 81 into 2? 81 into 2, that is 162. 162 divided by x square. Perfect. 3 mark jonno amra answer peye gechi. Okay, A part done. Now let's go to the B part. Use calculus to find the minimum value of what? L, not x, L. That means I have to use this equation somewhere in that this thing. Okay, chalu chalu. Kya masala tha? What was the issue? Okay, so what is the B part? B part calculus use korte hobe. Fine. Let's do dy by dx of this. So let me write L is equal to 12x plus 162 x raised to minus 2. Yeah, fine. So how do I differentiate this? It's going to be dl by dx. That is going to be 12 minus 162 multiplied by 2 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1. So it's going to be 12 minus 162 multiplied by 2, that is 324. 324 x raised to minus 3. Clear? So this is my minimum value. If I want to find the minimum value, it has to equal to 0. So 12 is equal to 324 x cube. Cross multiply this. X cube is equal to 324 divided by 12 and cube root of the answer. So 324 divided by 12 and cube root of the answer. Kato? 3. But that's your x value. They told us to find the L. Please remember, they said us to find the L. So for that, you need to write the equation L over here. What is it? X er jagah tumake 3 substitute korte hobe. So L is equal to 12 into 3 plus 162 divided by 3 cube. Do this in your calculator. 12 into 3, 36 plus 162 divided by 3 cube, 6. 36 plus 6, that is 42. So L is equal to 42.
It's 3 square.
It's 3 square. Okay, it's 3 square then. Fine, guys. Okay, so 162 divided by 3 square then. 18. Okay, so this is 18. 36 plus 18. 54. Clear? So 54 centimeter cube or meter cube. I don't know. Let me check the mark scheme. This is next question, is it? Yeah, 54. Achha, here what I want to emphasize more on, you guys understood, right? That 2x se chatta side ase 1, 2, 3, 4. X se chatta ase 1, 2, 3, and he said also 4. I hope that is the main thing you guys need to understand. And yes, some of you did not on your camera yet. Mariam, Nafisa, Muntasir, please on the camera. Ahmed. Then I got the value of L. Then they said justify whether it is minimum. Fine. If I have to justify, I need to double differentiate it. That is C part. Okay. For double differentiation, you need to find the single differentiation first. What was it? It was 12 minus 324 x raised to minus 3. 12 minus 324 x raised to minus 3. Okay. So, এখন কি করতে হবে বলো তোমরা? You have to double differentiate it. D square y divided by dx square. So 12 এর জায়গায় 0 আসবে differentiation. Minus 324 into minus 3. Okay. Into 3 raised to minus 3. Whatever. Just put this in the calculator. You'll get your answer. Minus 324 into minus 3 into 3 raised to minus 3. I'm getting 36 as the answer. 36 is greater than 0. Therefore, minimum. Clear? Everyone? Everyone clear? Mehak, Rafsan, Ahmad, Mariam, Nafisa, Muntasir. I want to hear at least a yes from you guys. Don't be so quiet. Bro. Everyone, Mehak, Mariam, Nafisa, Muntasir.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it will be 3 raised to minus 4.
It should be 3 raised to minus 4. Okay, yeah. I think I made that mistake. I'm sorry. It's minus 4. Let me just change that in my calculator. 12. 12 greater than 0. Well, now let me find a hard questions for you all. You know what? Do this one for me. Perfect. First 5 marks. I'll pause the recording. This is the question number 6. Rest of them you guys try on your own at home. 3, 4, 5. Try it at home. Do question number 6, please. Do the first 5 marks, then let me know. So you guys were able to do this. Not able to. Some of you guys were not able to do the A part. So let me show an B part and C part to you all. Jara already kore felso A part. You guys can continue doing B, C, D. Okay. And those who could not do A part, I'm repeating it for them. Okay. Let me do it for you all. So again, first of all, always read the question. Always read the question. What did they say? It's a closed box. So it's a box. It has a volume. Okay. The box is at right prism of height h. The cross section is the sector of a circle. The sector has a radius r centimeter. So we have a upper sector ta radius hoche r centimeter. Fine. Fine. And radian is 1 radian. Fine. They said the volume. Acha, remember volume. Always remember volume er ekta, because this shape volume you guys did not learn. So we learned about cylinder. We learned about cubes. We learned about cones. We learned about this thing. What else was there? Trapezium and stuff like that, but not this shape. One of the formula volume is cross-sectional area. Cross-sectional area multiplied by height. Remember that. Suji, are you having back issues? What happened? Cross-sectional area multiplied by height. Okay. What is the cross-sectional area? This is the cross-sectional area. Area of one sector multiplied by the height. Remember, always remember this. Look, how do I know that is the cross-sectional area? Even this also could be a cross-sectional area and multiplied by height, whatever. The problem is your height is not proper. Can you see that it is not uniform? This is how you should imagine it. If you cut here, none of the shapes are same. But if you cut here, okay, the cross sections are same. So therefore this height and this is the area. Remember this. You have to cut it in such a way that your cross section is uniform all the time. Okay, so if you cut this part, it is continuing for full length. So that is your cross sectional area. So what's your volume? Cross sectional area is half r square theta because it's a sector. Half r square theta is 1 multiplied by h. So half r square h is your volume. Okay. Now let's talk about surface area. When we talk about surface area, you can see is that I have a rectangle here, which is h into r. I have such another rectangle over there also, which is h into r, this part. Two rectangles I have. Yes. And I have this area as well, this rectangle. Okay. So I have three rectangles over here. So, so let me write surface area. So surface area is h into r. Okay. Then I also have another one, h into r, plus I have this as well. What is this? This is arc length. What is arc length? Arc length is r theta. R theta, that is r into 1. Okay. And this, what is this? H as well again. Okay. So I have, I think, 3 HR over here, if I'm not wrong. No, I'm making some mistake. Wait, let me pause the recording and find my mistake. If you notice this, if you imagine this properly, you have 4 surface area here. One surface area is this. Another surface area is this. These are 2 surface area. We got that. Okay. Then next surface area is this, which is your arc length multiplied by your h. Okay. Arc length, which is r theta. Okay. Then you have bottoms, but you have top surface area twice, na? This surface area you have twice, which is half r square, which is half r square theta. Theta is 1. Fine. So you have 3 HR plus half r square. Okay, this is your surface area. Now, what is the volume they gave us? 300. So can I write 300 over here? I can. Now what I have to do this in next page, by the way. Acha, jara online ekhon aso. Mehek and all. You guys understood what I did here? This looks a bit complex.
Yeah.
Everyone understood what I did here?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So let me copy paste this and let me solve this in next page, by the way. Okay, because yes, there is no enough space over here. Cut, paste. Okay. So if I make h the subject of the formula, because h is missing from your question, if you see h is missing, there is no h over here. Okay, that means I have to make h the subject of the formula. If I make h the subject of the formula is 300, it's 600 divided by r square, and I have to substitute that in place of h over here. So what will I do? Okay, let's try. 3 into 600 by r square multiplied by r plus half r square. How much is that? Okay, what is the answer I need, by the way? I need r square here. Okay, I made one mistake. it should be half r square multiplied by 2. Why multiplied by 2? Because the top area you have twice. Half r square multiplied by 2. This area you have twice. Down also is there. Okay, that is the reason. So therefore 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So it's only r square. So therefore r square. Fine. R and R gets cancelled. So you are left with 1800 by R plus R square is your answer. Everybody clear with this? Everybody clear the solution?
Yes.
And you see the amount of imagination you need based on the surface area. Surface area are the area which you can touch. So here, how many surface area do you have? You have this one twice. You have the rectangle twice, that is 4. Then you have this face plate, front face plate. There are 5 surface areas we are supposed to calculate. Okay, now B, C, D. Remember one thing. Let me tell you guys one thing straightforward. In the examination, if you even make mistakes over there, don't forget, leave these questions just because you don't know A part. Make sure you do B, C, D as well. Understood? Okay, so now you guys, all of you, jara A part hai doubt chilo, or a B, C, D finish kora. I gave you guys BCD. Some of you guys could do it. Let me just do BCD for you all. And let's continue. Okay, paste. So what's the first thing they asked us? Use the calculus to find the value of R. Remember, they did not tell us to find the value of S. They told us to find the value of only R. Okay. When it is stationary. Stationary means ki dy by dx equals to 0. Straightforward question. Okay. So what is it? D, what is it? This volume or S? L. Surface area. Okay, so ds by dr যদি আমি করি ওটার আগে I need to simplify it. S equals to 1800 r raised to minus 1 plus r square. ঠিক আছে? So S কত? হ্যাঁ, minus 1800 r raised to minus 2 plus 2r. Okay, equals to 0 because it is stationary. So bring it on the other side. If you take it on the other side, 2r is equal to 1 divided by, 1800 divided by r square. Bring it on the other side. It becomes r cube is equal to 1800 divided by 2. That is 900 and cube root of the answer. So cube root of 900 is 9.65. Everybody got r is equal to 9.65 centimeter or meter, whatever, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's continue now. Prove that this value of r gives the minimum. So we need to find minimum. Easy peasy. Again, C part, double differentiation. How do you do? Because you already differentiated this over here, na? This is already differentiated. You have to double differentiate it. Easy. D square s dr dy by d square y by dx square. Okay, fine. So what will it be? It's going to be, yeah, plus 1800 multiplied by 2. That is 3600. Okay, plus 2. R raised to minus 3 plus 2. Fine. এখানে তুমি r এর জায়গায় 9.65 করতে হবে. 3600 multiplied by 9.65 whole raised to minus 3 plus 2. Do this in your calculator. 9.65 raised to minus 3 multiplied by 3600 plus 2. That is 6. 6 is greater than 0, therefore minimum. Is this correct? Suji?
Yeah.
Is this the answer you guys got as well? Is this the answer even you guys got?
Yeah.
Fine. Let's go with the D part. You know your voice is getting recorded and every future student is going to hear that, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna become popular.
Cool. Now D part. Nearest centimeter square, the minimum value of S. Very easy. Okay, you have minimum value, right? Minimum value of S. You have your S value here. What was the S value we got? 1800 divided by 9.65 and plus 9.65 whole square will give you S. You know what? D part you guys do on your own. Let me find another questions for you all. A tough one, okay? Try doing this. Ice cream one. Pause recording. I'm not getting enough response for this question. I feel like some of you guys even gave up. Okay, so I'm not going into this detail over here in the measurements because all the measurements are given. It's a pool. Oh, okay, I thought it's an ice cream cone. Whatever. It's a pool and it has a rectangle. It has an equilateral triangle. Very important point. Equilateral triangle. Very important point. Okay, so let's see. You should know equilateral triangle mean this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, and this is X, and this is also X. This is something that you guys don't, like some of you guys don't know. What is the meaning of isosceles and what is the meaning of equilateral triangle? Okay, so now what can we do on this? Show that Y is equal to, okay. Did they give us anything? They just gave us the area. Fine. Okay. Okay, let's try with the area then. আমরা এক একটা area one by one try করি, okay? Equilateral triangle area কি হবে? half AB sin theta. Half AB sin theta. Theta কত? 60 degree. We are not talking of radian over here. We are talking about completely degree here. This is of whom? Of the triangle. So what is it going to be? Okay, sin 60 কত calculator? Everyone? 0.866, yeah?
Yes.
0.86.
Yes, bro.
Okay, but I want an exact value. There is supposed to be an exact value. Some of your calculators will give exact values. Give me an exact value. Sin 60 koto.
Root 3/2.
Root 3 by what? Say again.
Root 3/2.
Root 3 by 2. So can I write half x square into root 3 by 2? Okay. So x square root 3 by 4 is your triangle's area. Fine. Let's talk about rectangle now. What about the rectangle? Rectangle is easy. It's xy. Look, x, y. Easy peasy. You don't have to do anything else. Then semicircle. Semicircle radius hoche x by 2. So let's talk about semicircle. So it is pi r square divided by 2. So pi r square. R is x by 2. Pi r square then divided by 2 also. Fine. Let's try that. Okay, so pi x square by 4 divided by 2. So it is pi x square by 8 if I'm not wrong. Check. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now add all of them. Add all of them and you have to make y the subject of the formula. Okay. So what is my area? 50, right? So let me actually, you know what? Let me do this in another page, in a bigger page. Thank you. Yum. Okay. Copy. Paste. Okay, now let me add all the area. X square root 3 by 4. So area is equal to 50 if I'm not wrong. Area is equal to what? 50 is equal to pi x square by 8 plus xy plus x square root 3 by 4. Fine. এটাকে আমাকে কি করতে হবে? Simplify করতে হবে. For some reason I have to make the y the subject of the formula. Okay, let me append the pages then. Bring everything together. 50 minus pi x square by 8, then minus x square root 3 by 4 is equal to xy. So divide everything by x. আমি যদি সবকিছু x দিয়ে divide করি, 50 by x minus pi x by 8, because x and x gets cancelled, x root 3 by 4. Let me check whether it matches with our question or not. They took x by 8 common here and 2 root 3 pi se ora. I don't have a 2 root 3 here. What mistake did I make? I only have x root 3. Okay. Let me do LCM. Let me do LCM of both of them. If I do LCM of both of them, 8 is the answer. So এখানে আসবে তোমার minus pi x আর এখানে আসবে minus 2x root 3. Okay. So you have to take minus pi by 8, sorry, minus 8x by 8 as common. সবাই কি বুঝতেছে? Minus x by 8 যদি common now, it's going to be pi plus 2 root 3. Yes, perfect. And এখানে আমি 50 by x substitute করে দিব. সবাই বুঝছে কিনা বলো এটা? আমি আবার এটা zoom out করতেছি. So
Yeah.
everybody understood this?
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
Cool. Now this A part is over. Now let's come to B part. They said about perimeter now. Now it's a 3 marks question. Let's do it. Now to find the perimeter, now let's do perimeter. I have x here, I have x here. Okay, so perimeter is 2x. I have y here, I have y here. So perimeter is 2y. Then I have this circumference. What is this circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r divided by 2. What is r? X by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So your perimeter is 2x plus 2y plus pi x divided by 2. But in your main equation, y is not there. That means you have to make y the subject of the formula. Let me copy paste this to the previous whatever we were doing. So paste. This is my perimeter. So instead of, this is my what? What was this, by the way? Area, na? No, this was area. And this was equals to y. Okay. আমি এখানে substitute করি. So P is equal to 2x plus 2 y এর জায়গায় 50 by x minus x by 8 open bracket pi plus 2 root 3 close bracket close bracket. Clear? Pi x by 2. Clear till here, everyone? I'm doing B part now.
Yeah.
Okay, now open the bracket. So 2x plus 100 by x minus 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, x by 4 pi plus 2 root 3 plus pi x by 2. Now what to do in this case? Let's see. Yeah, x by 4 is common. Okay. Let me make now LCM of this and this. LCM. Are you 2x factor? Oh, I need to have only 100 by x na outside. Okay. Let's try. I need to do LCM of this also then. If you see 100 by x to ase LCM হচ্ছে তোমার 4. So এটা হবে 8x because multiply by 4. This is 1 na. So multiply by 4, multiply by 4. 8x. Okay. Then after that, this is going to be plus. Then minus x pi minus 2 root 3x. এখানে আসবে 2 2 plus 2 pi x. Okay. 2 pi x और minus pi x cancel हो जावे. So 100 by x equals to plus 8x plus pi x. 8x plus pi x minus 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3. ঠিক আছে? x divided by 4. এখন তুমি এখানে x কে কমন নাও. হয়ে গেছে. সবাই কি বুঝছে?
Yes.
Yes.
You see how everything is related to one another over here? All of you understood? It looks bigger sums and all, but once you have to practice before you can understand all these concepts. Okay. Now you guys figure out C and D on your own. I'm not giving you chutti till you finish this. So C part, finish it for me. And it's a 5 marks question. So please be careful. Last recording for today. Okay, so C part, let me do it for you. They said use the calculus to find the minimum value of P. 5 mark. Okay, so that means I have to do dp by dx. Okay, I have to do dp by dx. So can I do this? dp by dx equals to 100 by x. Okay, now I still did not start differentiating though. I'm still at P. I have to simplify them. Always do that. Pi x by 4, 8x by 4 minus 2x root 3 by 4. Yeah, okay. So if I do dp by dx, it's going to be minus 100 divided by x square, because minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 and minus 2 niche chole gele plus. Then it's going to be pi by 4 here. Here it's going to be 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, right? So 2x is going to be 2. And here it's going to be minus 2 root 3 by 4. That is 1 by 4, for example. Root 3 by 4. Okay. Now, if you now they said it is minimum, na? Did they say minimum or did they say tell you to find the maximum value of it? Find the minimum value of P. Mane dy by dx equals to 0. So it is equal to 0 karo tumra. Okay. Wait, আমি দেখি কেউ তোমরা কি পাঠাইছো আমাকে? Okay. So minus 100 by x square ke এভাবে লিখে দাও, 100 by x square equals to, now put this in your calculator, pi by 4 minus 2 minus root 3 by 4. So calculator jodi koro, pi by 4, where is it? Pi by 4, sorry, pi by 4, okay, plus 2, okay, minus root 3, sorry, minus root 3 divided by 4. কত? 2.352 পাচ্ছি আমি। 2.352 x স্কয়ারটাকে এখানে নিয়ে 100 ডিভাইড বাই 2.3524, 100 ডিভাইড বাই आंसर 42.5. So 42.5 is equal to x square, root of the answer, sorry, 6.5. Okay, let me just check whether x is 6.5 or not. Which question is this? Question number 11. Fine. Question number 11 যদি থাকে, they got x value to be 7.2. Okay, I made some mistake then. Let me double check my this thing over here. Okay, so I have 100x square pi x by 4, 8x by 4 minus 2x root 3 by 4. So 2 1 0 2 2 4. Acha, made a mistake here. This is supposed to be 2. Made a mistake here. 2. Okay, so let me double do this again. Pi by 4 plus 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. Fine. 1.919. This is supposed to be 1.919. So divided by 1.919. Okay, 100 divided by answer. 52.1. 52.1. And root of the answer 7.2. So this is 7.2. So once you got your x value, substitute that in the main equation and you will get your answer for P. So all you have to do 100 divided by 7.2 plus 7.2 divided by 4 pi plus 8 minus 2 root 3. Okay, do this and you will get the answer for P. And D part you guys can do on your own. So I'm ending this class as well. Now please write down the homework, everyone. Homework is from differentiation file. You will do. Okay, write down question number 16. Like a differentiation 1 take question number 16. Like a differentiation 1 file, question number 16, question number 15, question number 14, and question number 13. Mani 13, 14, 15, 16, 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 Koreashio. Next week. Next week there is a test as well. Okay. Guys, understood? Everyone heard, right? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 differentiation 1. And next week there is going to be a exam on differentiation chapter. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Tata, everyone. Tata, everyone.